computer-aided three-dimensional interactive application, or in short CATIA, is one of the pioneers in CAD/CAM CAE software application package. It has a legacy of almost 40 years. It was developed by Dassault in 1977 and there have been many releases after that. The latest release of CATIA is CATIA V5 6 R 2018. CATIA software has a variety of applications built into it, due to which it has a wide industrial use throughout the world. CATIA is used in aerospace, appliances, architecture, automotive, construction, consumer goods, electronics, furniture, medical, machinery, mold and die making, and shipbuilding. Due to this fact, there is a shortage of CATIA designers to fill the worldwide demand. If you want to give yourself the best opportunity for your career, then CATIA is the right choice. This course has been designed to make you not only aware of the tools that are present in CATIA, but also help you to absorb the concepts by practicing the tools repeatedly in a very short time. There are a lot of examples to practice, due to which you will never forget the most essential tools. This course has been developed using CATIA V5 R20 version of CATIA, but you can operate any version of CATIA after completing this course. We will start this course with Sketcher, which is a 2D sketch generation application, then proceed towards building solid models with the part design application. Further, we will try our hands on surface design using the wireframe and surface design application. We will create a project for learning assembly of solid models, and then at the last we will see the drafting application, which is used to generate the 2D drawings on drawing sheets from 3D models. In short, this is a complete course package for learning CATIA. You can take free lectures before joining, and after you are satisfied, join us and get one-on-one doubt clearance through our expert support during your learning process. So join us and have a great time learning. See you inside the course. Welcome again to the CATIA V5 software training package. Before we start learning the software, first let us open it. You can see in my desktop we have the icon here, CATIA V5 R20. Let us double click on it. You can see CATIA has opened. By default, CATIA V5 opens a new file in the product design interface, which is assembly design. But we want the part design interface. Let us close this file. We can close the file by clicking the close icon here, or we can go to file and close. Next, for opening a new file, I'll go to file, new. This small widget will pop up. Here you can select the application in which you want to open the file. I'll select part and click on OK. Again this small window will pop up. Here just go for OK. And we have a new file in the part design interface. So this is how you can create a new file. If you want to save this file, we can go to file, save as, and let us go to desktop. In desktop, let us create the file. Let the name of the file be part1. Click on save. For opening the saved file, let us click on the open file icon, or I can go to file and click on open. Also you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+O. I'll go to desktop. You can see this part1 file has been saved. I'll click on this, and when I click on open, it will open. Already the part has been opened. Now I don't want to open it again. Let us open another existing file. I'll click on this valve assembly folder. And let us select valve assembly. Click on open again. You can see this is the assembly that we are going to create in this series of tutorials. So this is how you can open a file. Also, you can create a new file and you can save a file. In the next video, we are going to see the various applications that are present in CATIA V5. CATIA is a high-end software package, which means it has various applications built into it. Let us see the applications that CATIA V5 has to offer. I'll go to Start. You can see these are the various applications that CATIA has. We have mechanical design, in which we can create some models, we can create assemblies, we can create wireframes, surface designs, we can go for mold and tooling design. And there are various types of mechanical design applications which you can use for creating the models. We have analysis and simulation package. Plant layouts also we can create. We have the NC programming package. We also have the simulation packages and so on. There are very vast applications of CATIA V5. You just have to select the application. Let us select this part design. Click on OK. You can open a new file by directly going into the application also. In the last video we have seen we can create the new file by going into File and New, but you can also select the application to get into the new file directly. So these are the various applications of CATIA, and this is how you can access them. In this lecture, we are going to see the user interface of CATIA V5. You can see here, I have opened a new file in the part design user interface. Here, in this left top corner, this is the version of CATIA that you are operating, which is CATIA V5. And this is the file name that we have opened, part 1. This first one is the application menu, where we can get into various applications. This is the menu bar. When you click on this menu item, it will display a drop-down menu, by using which you can do various things. You can create things, you can modify things. Also, you can change the preferences of the software and various settings. These are the toolbars. When I move them, you can see I can hold and move them. These are the toolbars, and these individual things are called as the icons. You can access these icons here, or directly you can go to the menu bar and access them here. This is called the part tree or product tree. Basically, this is the tree which stores the history of whatever we have done in the file. These are also toolbars, and these are also toolbars. So basically, we have 3 positions in the top, right hand side and the bottom to keep the toolbars, so that we can easily access the tools. This is the coordinate system. You can see here. This is the coordinate system, and these are the datum planes, the XY, YZ and ZX planes. These are the directions of X, Y and Z. This is the status bar. When you select any command, you can see the status of what you have to do next here. Now we have not selected any command or object, so it is asking select an object or command. As soon as you select something, maybe I'll select this pad. You can see it is asking enter desired data to modify the pad. So it wants us to give the data. So this is basically the user interface of CATIA. We'll know more about this interface when we go deep into the course. In this section, we are going